To keep your pond or water feature looking clean, clear, and beautiful, you must provide proper mechanical and biological filtration. The Aquascape Pond Waterfall Filter provides efficient mechanical filtration, biological filtration, and crucial aeration while creating a waterfall, making it the ideal DIY solution for filtering small ponds and water features up to 1,000 gallons, including pre-formed ponds or container water gardens. The compact and simple construction allows the filter to be easily incorporated into new or existing ponds by simply positioning it at the side of the pond. If desired, the pond waterfall filter can be turned into a beautiful, natural-looking waterfall, disguised into the landscape using rocks or other landscape materials. The spillway measures 12 inches wide. An extended snout and integrated drip edge effectively prevents water from leaking outside the water feature. Water is pumped through the bulkhead at the back, then enters the swirl chamber at the bottom of the filter, where it slows, levels, and directs water flow to maximize filtration. The filter support rack provides an ideal base for filter media to sit. The included filter mat provides efficient mechanical filtration, collecting finer debris as it passes through the filter. A biological filter media net is also included to hold bioballs or other biological filter media, which help keep pond water healthy. The filter is compatible with pump flow rates from 500 to 5,000 gallons per hour, and the included multi-hose fitting is compatible with most 1-inch, 1.25-inch, and 1.5-inch pipe or tubing, making installation quick and easy. The Pond Waterfall Filter is backed by a 5-year limited warranty to ensure years of reliable filtration. Some pond filters can be complicated to use, install, or maintain. With the Aquascape Pond Waterfall Filter, it is easy to maintain clean, clear, and healthy water. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.